That's right. It's that time again. RWPP Rose Ward Panty Power subscription. It's the monthly subscription where it's a gift to yourself for that god-awful time. Well, I mean, if you enjoy it, that's cool, but I can't say it's one of my favorite times of the month. But yes, it's that time. We're gonna unbox the Rose Ward Panty Power subscription. It has been one of my favorite subscriptions to unbox for you guys. A lot of you guys said you have tried this subscription out. I'm gonna get into all the information in just a second, but before we get into it, you guys know what time it is? That's right. It's time for the disclaimer. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and over here, we always embrace the hot mess. You guys, I can't help it. I've got my Good Candle, or the Good Candle Moroccan Sunset still burning. Yes, she's still going strong, and it smells like a delicious, beachy, I don't even know how to describe it. It's just amazing, and I love it. And have you checked her out yet? I'm about to place an order for her melts. I'm so excited about that, and I know, I'm all over the place, but I haven't finished the disclaimer. I will in a second. But I need to get, she's got oil that you can put onto your car diffuser, so I need to pick up a refill. Anyways, guys, if you're new here, it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where your girl tangents quite a lot. But I'll bring it back eventually. ADHD strong. All right, let's go ahead and jump on it.
Hey, yo, Mama. Okay. Thanks, Mom.
Yeah.
Smooch.
Smooch. Okay, guys, so mom life, you know, it is what it is. So a little information about this box. This is a monthly subscription, and like I told you guys, it's, to me, a gift to yourself. It has everything. So you do get to customize as far as what is in here. Like, I don't know how else to put it, but it is geared towards your period. However, if you are pregnant, if you are premenopause, if you have PCOS, if you are in menopause, this can also be customized to you. Meaning you don't have to pick out pads and tampons. You can have other things put in here that will fit your specific needs. You also get to get panties in here. So they do, you do have a size selection. I think they go from like small to 3XL, I do believe. I can't remember off the top of my head, but it is free shipping. It's $37.50, and that is free priority shipping. You're also going to get snacks in here, which is what gets me so excited every single month. So this is what the inside looks like. There's something that smells really good in here, and I don't know what. You are going to get a little card in here. It says, "Welcome to the April box full of joy." Now in here, she does like check what items are going to be in this box. Now keep in mind, you will get, if you choose the period option, 100% organic period products, or you can choose none. It's up to you. And you do get assorted pads, tampons, both, whatever it may be. You will get 2 pairs of panties valued from $8 to $25, and you do go from small to 3XL, so it just lets you know, or just to let you guys know, those sizes are available. 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts that will be listed down below. And then on the back, don't forget, she does have a boutique where I've actually showed you guys a couple of her products that she does have in the boutique. They do sell very fast, and I can tell you guys, I am a curvy girl. I'm plus size. I am like 5'3" on a good day, and at Torrid I wear like the 12s, 14s, and I have had items from her boutique that fit me perfectly. So anyways, just keep that in mind. We do have some, it looks like some coupons in here. We do have some other items in here, so that's really nice. So you get little pamphlets in here, but here's the favorite part, and seriously, I don't know what smells so delicious, but let's just jump on in. Ooh, okay, so right on the top, we have Absolute New York. It is a purifying 2-step mask. Oh, that's cool. It's ultra-fine wood pulp mask. So there is the first item right on top. And then, of course, we have our little snacky snacks, just 2 other ones. I love getting these where it's like from different countries. It's funny because my son found my stash and he came in, he's like, well, can I have that? And I'm like, Yes. And then he proceeded to tell me how delicious it was. Yeah. And then we do have a Nutrigrain bar in here as well. We do have a nice little assortment of tampons, again, all organic. And then we do have an assortment of pads, which again, all organic. Oh my gosh, Pockies. I shall keep these for myself. Ooh, okay, so I love this brand. The Modern Skin Alchemy Woodland Petty Spray, handcrafted in small batches. So I have their dry oil and I really, really, really like it. Is this, I don't know if this is what I smell. Artisan Skincare Body and Soul Peace of Mind. So this does have a retail value of $16. I feel like with the summertime coming up, this is going to be great with flip-flop season and all of that. It smells natural, but yet maybe that is what I smell. It smells good. Refresh, cool, and clean. I'm excited to try that. The next item in here is the Aqua Time Weekly Peeling Pack. Deep moisture soothing and brightening, maintains moisture balance. It's a peeling facial pack by, is it Suvis? Does have a retail value of $72, guys. Aqua Time Weekly Peeling Cleanser Pack with deep moisture. Oh, no, I don't, that's not what I smell because it's got a little seal on there. I don't know what it is, but it looks like a Korean type of skincare, which, as we know, the Korean products are very, very good. Well, I'll definitely give that a try. I mean, sounds good to me. The next item in here is the Rachel Maid Peppermint Bliss. I wonder if that's, I don't know. I think it must be the foot spray that I smell. I don't know. Anyways, this is the next item. It does have a retail value of $4, and this sheet mask actually has a retail value of $4 as well. Oh, we have some more little candies in here. These are cappuccino, like little mints. We always do get some business wipes in here, which are great like for on-the-go travel. And then we have our panties. So they always come in a cute little satchel, and again, customized to you. They do have different styles that you can pick from. I like cozy and comfort, and you can go with that. If you like briefs, if you like thong-a-thong-thongs, you can do that. So, oh, these are cute. These are so cute. You guys know how much I love pink. So she always, I feel like she always like tries to pick out pink to send me. So these are cute. These are stretchy, and I think they're like the cheekies. So that is really, really cute. And then super, super cute and cozy. Look at these little feelers. Oh, these are so cute. It's like the boy short kind. So really cute. I feel like these are like cute to wear like with a nightgown or something underneath. So those are the panties, and that is everything in this box. Again, $37.50. That is free priority shipping, and I can tell you guys, it does come very, very quickly. A little information about the retail value of the boxes. Each monthly box will have a retail value of at least $65, and at Rose War Panty Power, getting your money's worth is very important to them. They also strive to bring you unique, handcrafted, fun, and useful items. And I can tell you guys, like, I always use the items in here, and I absolutely love, love, love. And sometimes it's a little hard to share when I get the sweet treats and all of that. So, and again, if you're no longer on your period, or you don't need the period products, you can actually opt out from receiving the period products and get more of a lifestyle types of gift that you need or would fit your needs better. Perfect for those who are pregnant, irregular periods, menopause, taking medications, etc. So they can definitely curate this to you. Anyways, guys, I always tell you, I get very excited when I see this box arrive in the mail. I'm just like freaking geeking because it always comes at the perfect time. So if you guys are interested in signing up, I will have a link down below. Make sure to check out her boutique as well. She has a huge variety of adorable, adorable boutique boutique clothing. And I think there is a coupon that she gave me for you guys as well, where you can save off your first box, as well as over at her boutique. So thank you again to RWPP for sending this box my way to unbox for you guys. I definitely appreciate it. And let me know if you guys have picked yours up. This is always a great gift to not only give yourself, but to your daughters as well, or you know, a loved one, a sister, whatever. Anyways, friends, don't forget to check me out over on my vlog channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, over on Instagram. And until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye, guys.